Today's question is 9 power 5 plus 9 power 4 plus 9 power 3 plus 9 power 2 plus 9. Find the value of this. I am going to explain this by two methods. The first method is by using tricks, and the second method is by using GP formula, which means geometric progression. First I will explain by the tricks. For that, first you need to learn multiplication numbers by 9. So I'm going to explain how we do multiply with the single digit and how we do multiply with the double digit and triple digit and so on. First I'm going to explain with the single digit. Here we have 7. So what you have to do first, whatever you have the number, here we have 7, do minus 1, which gives 6. So write the 6 in tens place. So and again here we get 6. Subtract 6 from 9. We'll get 3. So write 3 in your units digit. This is your result. That's it. Let's see one more. Here we have 6. So what you have to do? You have to minus 1. So 6 minus 1, which gives 5. So 5 write in your tens digit. So take this 5 and subtract by 9. You will get 4. So 6 times 9, which gives 54. You will do one more. If you have a single digit, you have to subtract 1 from 3. So which we have 2. So now this 2 subtract from 9. Then you will get 7. So like that, if you have a single digit, you have to do like that. If you have a double digit, how can you do that? Suppose if you have a number 21 multiply by 9. So if you have a double digit, here you have to first add 1, then subtract 1. That means for this the tens digit, you just add 1. So for the 2, if you add 1, you will get 3. Isn't it? So now you have total 21. Here we have 3. So here 21 minus 3, which gives 18. So 18 comes in your tens digit here in two places. Now another number we have 1. So this one you have to subtract 1. So 1 minus 1, which gives 0. So now this 0 subtract from 9, which gives 9. This 9 you had to write in units digit. So 21 times 9, which gives 189. We will try one more. 36 times 9. For the 3, you have to add 1. So you will get 4. So 36 minus 4, you will get 32. So just write 32 here. And then in 6, you have to do minus 1. 6 minus 1, which gives 5. So subtract this 5 from 9. Then you will get 4. So 4 write in your units digit. So this is the way to multiply by 9. So now comes to our question. Let's begin with right hand side. Here we have 9. So just write 9. And then we have 9 power 2. We can write this as 9 times 9. So how can you multiply this? Here is a single digit. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 1. If you subtract 1, you will get 8. So just write 8 here. Then subtract 8 from 9. So 9 minus 8, which gives 1. 9 times 9, the result is 81. So just write the 81 here. Now we have 9 power 3. 9 power 3, you can write this as 9 power 2 times 9. Isn't it? 9 power 2, the value is 81. 81 times 9. So here we have a double digit. How can you multiply this? If you have a double digit, first you have to do addition. That means for the 8, you have to add plus 1, which gives 9. So from 81, if you subtract 9, then you will get 72. And then the second digit you have 1. For this one, you have to subtract 1. 1 minus 1, which is 0. So 0 subtract from 9. So which gives 9 only. So 9 write in your units digit. So 81 times 9, which gives 729. Just write 729. Now you have 9 power 4. So 9 power 4, we can write this as 9 power 3 times 9. So now we found that 9 power 3, the value is 729. Right? 729 times 9. Now you have 3 digits. Here, how can you multiply with 3 digits? First take 2 at a time, then this 9 at a time. We split into 2 digits. So first for the two digits, how can you multiply by 9? First you have to add 1. That means for 72, if you add 1, you will get 73. So this 73 you have to subtract with the whole number, that is which is 729. So then you will get 656. So just write 656. Now you have a next number 9. For this 9 you have to do minus 1. So 9 minus 1 which gives 8. So this 8 you have to subtract from 9. So 9 minus 8 which gives 1. So that means here you have to write 1. 9 power 4, the value is 6561. Similarly, 9 power 5 also we can write it as 9 power 4 times 9. 9 power 4, the value is 6561. Then you have to multiply by 9. Here we have 4 digits. How can you multiply this? Here also you have to split into 3 digits in one place, 1 digit in one place. So we are splitting into 2 digits. So for the first digit, that means for the 656, you have to add 1. So if you add 1 for the 656, you will get 657. So you have to subtract the 657 by 6561. Subtracting, you will get 5904, isn't it? So just write 5904. Now take the second number, which we have 1. For this one, you have to subtract minus 1. So 1 minus 1 which gives 0. This 0 subtract from 9. The result is 9. This 9 you have to write at the last as a unit digit. So 9 power 5, the value is 59,049. So just write here 59,049. Now add the numbers. 9 plus 1 it is 10. Again 9 plus 1 it is 10. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 9 29. 8 plus 2 10. Then 2 plus 6 8. Then 4. So which gives 22. Now 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 2 14. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6 16. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So the sum is 66,429. So now I will show the second method, geometric progress. You have to start from 9, then you write, which is 9 plus 9 power 2 plus 9 power 3 plus 9 power 4 plus 9 power 5. This expression we can write it as 9 plus 9 power 2, which is nothing but 9 times 9, plus 9 power 3, we can write this as 9 times 9 power 2. 9 power 4, we can write this as 9 times 9 power 3, plus 9 power 5, we can write it as 9 times 9 power 4. It is in the form of a plus ar plus a r power 2 plus a r power 3 plus a r power 4, and if expression continues it will go and so on, plus a r power n. So it is in the form of geometric expression. For this n terms, the formula is a times r power n minus 1 over r minus 1. Here a value is 9, isn't it? So a value is 9, then r value also 9, then n value is, our end of the number is 5, so n value is 5. Substitute in this formula. So our a value is 9, 9 power 5 minus 1 over 9 minus 1, which is 8. So that is equal to 9 over 8 times 9 power 5 minus 1. Here we need to find 9 power 5 value. Using trick we can find the value, solve this question. But here I am going to one more method to find this. 9 power 5, we can write it as 9 power 2 times 9 power 2 times 9. So 9 power 2 is nothing but 81. And again 81 times 9. 81 whole square times 9. So 81 whole square, we can write this as 80 plus 1 whole square times 9. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what's the formula? A square, that means 80 square plus b square, which is 1 square, which is 1 only, then 2ab. So 2 times a is 80 and b is 1 times 9. So 80 power 2, the value is 6400, then add 1, then 2 times 80 which gives 160. If you add all, then you will get 6561 times 9. After multiplying with 9, you will get 59,049. This value is 9 over 8, 59,049. This is a 9 power 5 value. Still we need to do minus 1. So 9 over 8. If you subtract this, you will get 59,048. If you divide with 8, you will get 7,381. After multiplying with 9, you will get 66,429. In both methods, we got the same result. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.